I don't really know what to say. Like, hi, I'm the ECTV producer, and we're doing a different bit today. I don't know what to say. Megan's taking a picture of me. Hello, and welcome to another episode of ECTV Tries. I am the producer. Usually I'm not in the videos, but today we're gonna have everyone producing, what is it? We're having everyone who is working on the cameras today, they're gonna be a talent. They have to try and guess what soda is. They have to try and guess the flavor of the soda by tasting all of them without looking at them. I hope you enjoy this episode of ECTV Tries. Okay, thank you. We're recording. So welcome to ECTV Tries. Could everyone who's in the studio come behind me and Ryan, please? Congratulations, you all have been selected for the secret talent show. Each one of you, we're going to change the straws. You're all going to try to guess what the drink is. They're not disgusting, obviously, they're just sodas. So you have to guess what they are without looking at them. Yes. So congratulations.
You guys done back there? I assumed just because I heard the yippee. Okay. I'm thinking. That's what I'm doing. Okay, I think I have it. We won't just pull it aside and show? Probably. Okay. Oh, lovely. Okay, cool. Okay.
Whoever wants to go next. One of you two. Oh, slay. Get yourself oriented. Okay. We're just replacing the straws? Okay. Cool. No, I'm fine. What? Sure, you can. You guys want to have a little dance battle?
Do you want to have a little dance battle, Ella?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, ready? We're like dance fighting at each other.
Oh. I don't know how to dance.
Like, can we dance at this one?
Okay. I have no idea, if I'm being honest. Oh, that's awful. I'm really just guessing right now. They all taste the same. I don't know. God, that was awful. Okay, well. Okay, done. That was insane. We gotta cut that one. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Alright, you're all good to go now.
Okay, I'm scared. How do I know? Well, I don't know that. Okay, this is harder than I thought. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Alright, you guys can all come back up.
Hey guys, they brought the yapper on. Currently cosplaying as Velma Dinkley. What's up? Ready? Dance Party Part 2. Electric Boogaloo. Okay, ready? Wanna do a conga line? Wait, no, we're gonna do a conga dance party line fight. Yeah.
Wait.
Ready? That's where you, yeah, ready, go. This is gonna be such a weird episode. Sorry, Brooke. Okay, that was really cute, guys. Wow, round of applause. Thank you so much. Ryan be like, this is evil and unfun for the person doing this. Therefore, I'm going to do it. Anyways, I guess I'll do this now. Hey guys, well, we'll get back to that one. I don't know anything. We'll get back to that one. There's nothing in there, dog. I'm gonna spill this thing. That one is one of these. Or this one. God. This is why I haven't been on Tries in 5 episodes, because like now I'm under like a spotlight with a camera and a mic on, and I'm like, what? What's happening? The heck is that? Am I right? You can. Maybe. Okay. That's my guess. So like.
Is this your final answer?
Yeah.
Cool. It's drag time. All right. Okay. Preemptive thoughts. This is not final decision. Wait. Oh God. Oh no. Here we go. Back to this one. Dude, that is brutal. Okay. I just did that one. Wait, am I? I'm missing one. Oh shoot, hang on. No, I gotta start over. No, I don't know. God, this is brutal. Okay. That I recognize. Oh God. Okay, I think I'm confident in that one. That one's empty. That's definitely, okay. I think I'm good. I'm going with that. Yeah, final, locked in. I'm taking the banker's deal.
Wow. Okay.
Did I get them all wrong?
Okay, this is it. Can I? Thank you. Actually, yeah, that was basically the order of who was the most to least correct. H, you need to stand in between Logan and Gavin. You guys are tied. Logan and Patches are tied. You both got them correct in your respective orders. Ella had 2 and Gavin had 3. And you had like, what is it? 6 of them? You had 4 correct. What? Sorry, I thought you were like saying that as if you knew somehow, like you had miraculous. Ella, you had every single one backwards somehow. Like you managed to put like Mark Starry as Coke, like that type of thing, where all of the citrus flavors were cola to you, which is interesting. It was so interesting. You two got all of yours correct in their respective orders. So, this was it. I'm again not on camera. I'm just Jesus. Hello, dude. I don't want to be on frame. Hi. This was a riveting episode of ECTV Tries. Thanks for watching. They're gonna go have a celebratory dinner and do something about it. I don't know. Thanks, guys. Serve. Look at them. Look at our babes. Love you guys. Kiss, kiss.